Just got the Miller 211 after like 8 months of that thing. I got the spool guns here at my local Airgas as well. I haven't picked it up yet. They close at 4, which is stupid, but I'll be picking it up tomorrow, so I can do that. Mobile aluminum. I really like this thing. So far, it's been pretty great. Kind of see. Anyway, running. That's uphill. That's all uphill. Butt joint. 14 gauge tubing. There's a big uphill right there, and then all that was flat. But long story short, the thing flipping welds good. Got me a big freaking bottle of argon today. Gonna take that one back and probably get another little bottle of argon for the truck so I can do the spool gun thing, right? And speaking of spool guns, I got one over here for the stupid titanium 140 blah blah. It, the difference, the vast difference in quality of the MIG gun and the nozzle and the tips and this thing. Hang on. Hear the fan kick on? The fan doesn't kick on until it's used. Actually, that's on low. It'll get higher too whenever you're really cooking, like when I was welding this I-beam here and just really giving it to it. And I don't know, I really like it. The auto set works really well. I didn't try MIG on it, but I hooked up some argon to see if the gas valve works, and it works. There's the aluminum setting for MIG gun. Real simple. There's no screen to screw up and go out. I was considering a 210 MP from Lincoln, but this thing was $1,409 before tax. After tax was basically just shy of $1,500. The 210 MP is like $1,600, cheapest I could find it. So then tax, so probably talking about 17 or so. So a couple $100 cheaper. There's no screen to go out. I really like the thing. I love the ground. It's nice and long. It came with a 10-foot gun. I don't like the length of the gun. I wish it was a 12 or of course a 15-footer would be great. I like the ground clamp. It's small. It feels fine as well. The lead feels good. I got a 10 pounder on there. I love the wire. I've never had any problems with the wire. I love it. I love the little holder for the 240 plug. You don't even need that. Auto set works so darn well on this thing. I've tried it at different settings, and this is what I did. The 3.5 and it's 14 gauge is what I'm welding, but I'm a little bit hot on that and doing fine on the uphill 14 gauge. And that running the same thing for the I-beam there. Maybe a little, I messed with it a little bit, maybe cranked it a little up, but it'll still weld fine on that. But $400 for that, and the spool gun's like $160 or something versus $1,500 for this. But the spool gun's like $350. So the spool gun cost almost what that machine cost. So not to brag, it's to make money. It's for the business. It's not a bragging thing. It's not it's just I have to have it for the business is what it is really. So, and I'm thankful to have it, and it hurts though. It still hurts buying it and going, it still hurts, but glad to have it. Bottom line is just the 211's great. Everyone will tell you that. And I bought it from Airgas, if that matters. It's where I get my bottles. So, but I'm digging it so far.